Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Paint with Prachi. I hope you're all holding up good among the COVID times. So today I'm back with a time lapse of a painting I recently completed. Here I have used watercolors for the very first time and the texture I've got using them is just amazing, and honestly they are super beautiful and easy to use. This time I have given life to this painting through a click picture. I hope I have done justice with this view. Also, day by day, I'm getting more driven towards painting landscapes and nature. I hope I keep up with this through best power of my inner creator. Here I'm trying to add some highlights using the proper proportion of dark and light colors to make the trees look more natural. For the clouds part, I always use grey as a base color, and then I give some touch-ups with white to make it more natural. And for the river part also, it just goes with the shadows of trees, clouds and sky, and then blending them properly. And it's done, just giving some touch-ups in the end. So do let me know about this painting in the comment section below. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like even a small part of it. Thanks for watching, take care and keep yourself busy daily.